I need a favor from you. Just need you to kill somebody.
Sorry, Jose.
Juan Madera, one of Castro's most trusted lieutenants. This garbage lied to me about which side he was on. Fidel's men, the location of my family.
Snitch.
Bumpy, when I am a partner, your problems become mine. And I hope that mine become yours.
Consider it done. Show this picture to all of your runners. You to find this motherfucker, and you kill him.
Shit. That's him?
Yeah, that's him. I got that Luger in the glove compartment.
I'm going.
Where you going? Wait. Shit.
Hey! What the fuck?